That's the best I can do. Not my shade. This looks so bad. I can't. Oh my god. Let's do this. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Camilla for those of you that are new here. So in today's video, I wanted to do the Madison Beer makeup. I tried it here and there. Not everything, just like how she does her inner corners and like a little bit of more blush than usual because I don't know, I watched her video and I really liked her makeup, but I never went like exactly what she was doing, so I just wanted to see how that would look on me. I do makeup on other people, but on myself I rarely do any makeup, maybe just concealer and mascara. I like doing makeup on other people way more. I don't know why. I used to be obsessed with makeup on myself, but I don't know what happened. I just like the natural face now and like no makeup, so I wanted to see how I would look with this makeup. I know it's a little bit more than what I usually do, so that's why I wanted to do it. So yeah, let's just get started. So I grabbed my mirror. She starts off the tutorial with some skincare. She puts her hair out of her face with this little headband, and we literally have the exact same one, so I'm gonna wear mine. All right, so she starts off with some cleanser. I already washed my face, and so now I'm just gonna put some toner. I will leave her video down below in case you guys have not seen it. That is what I am referencing. I have the video here on my phone right now and I'm just watching it as I go so I don't miss any steps. So after toner, she likes to put on some moisturizer. So I have the Laneige Water Bank Moisturizer Cream. It is so good, super moisturizing. So I kind of messed up. After her toner, she likes to roll on, like use this little roller thing on her face. I messed up and I put the moisturizer first, so it's fine. We're just gonna do it a little bit different. Okay, so after moisturizer, she likes to apply a facial spray. I don't have a facial spray. I actually finished mine a few days ago, so I'm not going to be using that. But right after that, she likes to apply some eye cream, so I'm going to do the same right now. Next, we're gonna do is soap brows. So you literally get a piece of like a thing of soap and a spoolie, like wet it a little bit and brush your eyebrows up. I don't do anything to my brows. Like I usually just like brush it up and like brush it down because I don't like that look on me. It looks good on everyone else, I feel like, but because of this, I'm going to try it out. I have some water right here and I'm just gonna wet my spoolie and then get my soap and just go like this. I think that's like really good. Oh my gosh, I think I wet it too much. And then brush your brows up. I feel like this isn't working. My eyebrow hairs are just way too long for this trend. It's not cute. I look insane. Like, this is not okay. Oh my god, I hate this so much. Am I even doing this right? This looks so bad. I cannot. Oh my gosh. All right, let's continue. Right after the brows, she goes into skin. Wait. She goes into a skin tint. I think I have a skin tint. Let me make sure. Let me go get some. Skin tint that I have is like so old, so I don't even think we have anything in here. Let's see. Okay. It is just really dark. I used to use this in the summertime, so we'll see. Okay, she doesn't really show how she applies it, so I'm just gonna apply it how I would. Just dabbing it on. Oh my god, this is not my shade at all. Blend that in. I don't have another skin tint that I use, so that's why I'm going with this one. It's because like in the summertime I would want to like whenever I would want to wear makeup, I really didn't want to put too much. I don't know, I just like having the tan skin and like the little red cheeks peek through, so that's why I would use a skin tint, but I'm not this shade anymore, so I look crazy. It's the only thing we have, so gotta use what you got. So the next is concealer, so thank God, because then I can like probably lighten up my face or something. Here, let me open my window, maybe it'll get better lighting. Oh yeah, that's so much better. Okay, so I have a couple concealers. She uses the Nars concealer. I don't have that with me, so I'm gonna take what I have, and I like to use the Fit Me by Maybelline. So I have the Fit Me concealer in the shade 20 Sand, and this one is like way too dark for me, so I'm gonna take this and also the lighter version, and it's 10 Light. So how she applies it, she literally just goes in and puts it on. See, this is like way too light for me, so I'm gonna do that and then pop the other shade right on top. So the next thing that she uses is the Charlotte Tilbury contour little stick thing. I don't have that, so I'm just gonna apply this concealer that I have that's a little bit darker, well, way darker, that I use this on my clients. I'm going to take this Maybelline concealer, and it is Master Conceal in the shade Medium Deep, and let's just hope that this works. So I'm just gonna apply it with my finger and like dots. Maybe that's too light. So right after the contour, she likes to use blush. I have this Milk lip and cheek. I've never used it. I think my sister has. So she likes to use the Charlotte Tilbury. I don't have that, so I'm just going to apply this one. I don't know if I'm supposed to apply with my hand. Okay, she puts a lot of this, so I'm just going to like put a bunch, and then she likes to put it on her nose. This, for me, I do not put like any blush, so this is different. And then she goes in with some powder just under her eyes and her T-zone area, so that's what I'm gonna do. Then next she likes to, I feel so weird right now, oh my gosh. Then she likes to take some bronzer. This one's a little bit too dark for me, so I'm gonna mix it in with my Maybelline or Milani baked bronzer. So I'm gonna mix these two. She takes the same bronzer and she just applies that on her nose, like the bridge of her nose. I barely do contour on my nose, so let's see. And then she goes in with some more blush. I have the Nars Orgasm blush, or Super Orgasm, so I think that's because it's shiny. And then I also have the Tarte Festy one. This one I think is prettier. I'm gonna mix them. Oh my god, I literally look so pink right now. Oh my gosh, this is not okay. This is like too much. Okay, I'm taking this off. She took it off a while ago. I just forgot to. And then she goes for her eyes. I'm gonna just use the Jaclyn Hill palette. I don't have her palette, so that's why I'm using this. So she like takes a darker shade. Wait, let me see how. Okay, so she goes to a shade like kind of like this one, I think. And then puts it on her like outer corner. Whoa, I put a lot. And then goes in like with the lighter shade and puts that in the middle, or she puts that in the inner corner with the same brush and just blends the two together, and then do the same obviously to the other eye. Okay, so I have this little angled brush that I'm gonna use. She takes like a darker shade, like kind of like this I think, and then does her inner corner. Okay, I got a Q-tip and I'm just gonna take that off and do it again because it looks so bad. I don't know how I feel about it. And taking that same shade, the brown shade, and doing that. I think I made this one too thick. Whatever, that's the best I can do. Okay, and then she goes in with some highlighter. She uses cream highlighter. I'm just gonna use a powdered one. This one is so good. Like, I'm obsessed with it. I'm pretty sure I opened it on YouTube with you guys on like a video, but it's like so amazing. Really messy though, so need to be careful. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this little smaller, fluffier brush and take what's on the lid. She only applies her highlighter like right here and nowhere else, so that's what we're gonna do. Then she applies some mascara. I'm just gonna curl my lashes. And then I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. This is like one of my favorite ones. This mascara is a little bit dry, so it's kind of not cooperating. I'm gonna grab my other one. She said she uses a little bit in her inner corners. Okay, now I'm kind of scared for this next one because I don't really overline my lips. I need to, like, my lips are so small, but every time I do it I just look so weird, so we're gonna try that today. So let's do this. Puts a little bit under. I look like a clown. I cannot. Oh my god, oh, that looks so bad. I'm gonna like fill in the lip. Maybe it'll be better. Maybe it's like the lip color that I'm not used to. How do I look? I can't. I look crazy. Like, I look like, maybe I don't even look that crazy. I'm just like overreacting. I'm just not used to seeing, like, I don't know. Okay, now she goes in with, I think, a lip, yeah, she goes in with a lip gloss. So I'm gonna use this L'Oreal one that I have. It's really old, so the name literally like came off, so I don't even know what it's called. Okay, she said that she uses hoops, so I don't have really big hoops. So I went to my sister's room and I found some bigger hoops, so that's what we're gonna put on. I do not look like myself. All right, I don't know how I feel about this. I don't know. Like, I never put this much lip product on myself. Does it look bad? I don't know if I kind of like it, but then I kind of don't look like myself. I can't stop looking at like the viewfinder thingy. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please let me know if you guys try this out as well. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell to be notified when I post a new video. And yeah, love you guys so much. Bye guys.
Baby, you could keep me going, 'cause you've been everywhere. Let me take up all the love you're showing. I need it more than air.